Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a sub-account in GoHighLevel. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to GoHighLevel.com. Once you're on the page, log in using your account credentials. This will take you to your main dashboard where you can access all of GoHighLevel's features and manage your business operations. After logging in, direct your attention to the left side of your screen. You'll see a navigation menu with various options listed. Look for and click on Sub-Accounts. This section is where you can manage all your client accounts or separate business accounts within the platform, making it easy to keep everything organized. Next, at the top of the page, you'll notice a button that says Create Sub-Account. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a new window where you can begin setting up your new sub-account with either a pre-built template or from scratch. Now, you'll be presented with template options. You can choose a template that fits your needs, or if you prefer to start completely fresh, click Blank Snapshot. Templates are helpful because they come with pre-configured settings and workflows that can save you time. For this example, let's hover your mouse over real estate. This will show you a preview of what this template includes. Once you're ready, click Select and Continue. This template is specifically designed for real estate businesses and includes relevant automations and features. On the next screen, you'll need to input an address for the sub-account. After entering the address, click Add Manually. This allows you to fill in all the contact and business details yourself rather than pulling information from an existing database. Now input a first name and last name for the primary contact of this sub-account. This is typically the business owner or the main person you'll be working with. Then input an email address. This email will be used for account notifications and login credentials, so make sure it's accurate and accessible. Next, input a business name. This is the official name of the business or client you're setting up the sub-account for. You can also add a business niche if you'd like, but this field is optional. Adding a niche helps categorize the account and can be useful for reporting and organization later on. Now input a business phone number. This contact information will be used for client communications and is important for keeping everything professional and organized. Then input an address, city, state, country, and zip code. These details help GoHighLevel customize certain features based on location, such as time zones and local settings. You also have the option to input a website, but this is optional. If the business has a website, adding it here can help with integrations and tracking. Next, select a time zone from the drop-down menu. This ensures that all scheduled campaigns, emails, and automations run at the correct times for your client's location. At the bottom of the page, you'll see a toggle button labeled Include Sample Data in this sub-account. You can click this toggle to enable it. Sample data can be helpful if you want to show your client how certain features work without having to manually create examples. Then select the type of account. You'll have two options: this is my client's account or this is my own account. Choose the option that best describes the purpose of this sub-account. Finally, click Add Sub-Account at the bottom of the page. The system will process your information and create the new sub-account, which you can then access and customize further. And that's it. You've successfully created a sub-account in GoHighLevel and can now start building out campaigns, automations, and workflows for your client or business. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.